Hi. In this video, I am going to show you how to make YouTube Shorts from regular YouTube videos. First of all, open YouTube. Once it's open, click on the profile icon and then click on View Channel. Click on your video. Then click on Remix. Then click on Edit into a short. After that, you can see this is a video. Click on Layouts, where you can select and adjust the layout. After that, click on Continue. It starts processing. And now here you can add text, so add the text and all these features. Then click on Filter. You can add any filter from here. Then click on VoiceOver. You can add VoiceOver by tapping on this button and clicking on that question button. Create a question. All these options are optional. Then click on this pattern, and here you can easily select the volume of original sound and voice-over. Then click on Timelines. Just adjust the YouTube text like that. It will appear according to its area. Then click on Next. Here you can add the visibility of this video to public and add your location or select the audience according to your targeting. Then you can select the related video according to this video. Below, you can allow video and audio remixing and you can pay for the promotion of your video. Then click on Comments. Here you can turn off or on according to your desire. And then click on Upload Short. Once it's done, click on Manage Videos. And hey, you can see your video is live on your YouTube channel. That's the way to make YouTube Shorts from regular YouTube video. If you found this video helpful, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.